we have 46.478 divided by 0.17. Our divisor is decimal number. We cannot divide by decimal number. So first we have to make this decimal number whole number. How we do this? We move decimal point how many times to get whole number? 2 times. So when we move decimal point 2 times in our divisor, we have to do the same with our dividend. 2 times we move to the right. So now decimal point will be between 7 and 8. So we have to divide 4647 decimal point 8 by 17. We will use long division, of course. So we have 4647 decimal point 8. And again, because we cannot put 17 to 4, so we take 6. We have 46 divided by 17 is 2. We write on the top. Solution. And now we have to do multiplication. 2 times 17 is 34. And we have to do subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. We have to now take down next digit. So we will have 4. What next? 144 we have to divide by 17. How many times we can put 17 to 144? 7 times. And now we have to do multiplication. 7 times 17 is 119. And again we have to do subtraction. We have to borrow 1 from 2. So will be 1 here, and we will have now 14 on the top. 14 minus 9 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, so we don't have to write this. And we take next digit down. This is 7. So we have 57 divided by 17. How many times we can put 17 to 57? 3 times. And now 3 times 17 is 51. Again, subtraction. 7 minus 1 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. So next, what we have to do? We have to write on the top decimal point exactly in the same column, and we take down next digit. So we have 68. Here is decimal point. And now, how many times we can put 70 to 68? 4 times. So this is 68. 4 times 70 is 68. Subtraction, 68 minus 68 is 0. So we finish long division. Our remainder is 0. And our solution will be 273 decimal point 4.